Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP/USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, market is rolling. The whole global market is under turmoil right now. There's a chaos going on because of the banking sector. If you look at the news, then you can see that global equities fall, gold surges as banking worries linger. Investor sentiment remained fragile on Friday despite massive rescue for the banking sector, leaving global equities under pressure while gold prices were poised for their largest one-week rally since March 2020. Yes, gold market is flying right now. Okay. But if you look at the chart of GBPUSD, Euro USD, then there is a sense of confusion you will see on the chart of GBPUSD, especially on Euro USD. If you look at the Forex sentiment meter, we can see that most of the retail traders, 72% retail traders have taken short position, and their average short position is short position price is 1.2015. Okay, and right now market is standing at 1.2172. As we all know that usually we get to see market always moving against the sentiment meter. So yes, in the coming week there is a good possibility that GBP USD will be going up. And if you look at the weekly chart of GBP USD also, then we can see that market was trying, okay, GBP USD was trying to break this 50 moving average on the weekly chart since December. Okay, it broke the level on in the month of January. It failed again. It was struggling for the last 1 month, and right now finally it is free free from the 50 moving average. So there's a good possibility that in the coming week also we will get to see further upside on the chart of GBP USD. Right now 1.2200, okay, seems to be a resistance for the market, but there's a good possibility that market will be breaking the resistance and going up. And the reason is DXY, US dollar currency index. US dollar currency index, DXY, was in recovery mode, but for the last couple of days, okay, DXY is under pressure. If we just focus on the present trend of the market here, we can easily see that DXY is under the dominance of sellers right now. DXY is forming lower highs. So on Monday, Tuesday, there's a high chance that DXY will be testing the level of 103.50. And in this market, scenario, DXY should break the level of 103.50 and head towards 102.60, the next support. Overall, things are not very positive for DXY right now. In fact, the whole market, the global market, is waiting for the 22nd March FOMC. So till FOMC, DXY may remain under pressure. After FOMC, what will happen? I also don't. Nobody can predict. But till then, DXY should remain under pressure. So if DXY head towards 103.50 level, and if DXY breaks also this level, then you will see GBP USD going higher. Now let's have a look at the chart of GBP USD. So on the chart of GBP USD, we have very few trading opportunities right now, because we can also see that market has almost formed a double top kind of a pattern, and markets almost close at the resistance here. So on Monday, the market opening will be very important. If DXY starts falling, okay, if DXY starts falling, then you will see a breakout. And you can also look for a buy above 1.2200. Be careful during the Asian session and European session, because on Monday, especially during the Asian session and European session, we do not get to see much volatility. So if you see the market is kind of flat, still going for a breakout, then be careful. It is better to avoid. Better wait till the US session if the market remains dull. But if DXY starts falling, as the sentiment is already saying that DXY should be going down, if that happens, then yes, you should be looking for buy position, because that following the trend is the best strategy in this type of turmoil. So what we can do is you can go for a buy above 1.2200 level, but do not forget to use proper risk management, because uh, trader's most important responsibility is to protect his loss, protect his capital. Okay, the main difference between a professional trader and a retail trader is that a professional trader determines the loss from before. Loss is the only thing that a trader can control. So never forget that. So, and in case after the market opening, GBP USD starts going down, then if you want, then you can go for a sell position. But personally, I will avoid because DXY is weak. So if DXY starts going up, then that's a different chapter. But otherwise, we need a big news right now, like FOMC for recovery of DXY. So if you see market coming down also after the market opening, okay, so be careful. If possible, try to avoid any sell position. If you can get additional confirmation from DXY, in case DXY shows bullishness on Monday, then you can go for a sell position on GBP USD. But if you see that DXY is going down, try to avoid any sell position on the chart of GBP USD because you may get trapped, your SL may get hit. Okay. In this market condition, I'm repeating, the trading opportunities are very less on the chart of GBPUSD right now because GBPUSD has closed at a very critical level. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Wait for the market opening. The market opening will decide what are the next trading opportunities on the chart of GBPUSD. And if the same situation remains, then there's a possibility that GBPUSD will be going for a breakout and you can go for a buy. And as the market sentiment DXY is under pressure, so taking a sell in this situation also can be a little bit risky. Okay, so this is my opinion. I can be wrong as well. So let's wait and watch how the market performs on Monday. Be careful. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye. Take care.